Right, I've been after one of these for quite a while, and the main reason that I've got one now is because there was a mishap with people that were looking after our dog, and we had to have the lock drilled on the front door. That wouldn't have happened if I'd have had one of these, and it's basically an external safe for a key. And what happens is, when it's locked outside in your chosen location, you come along, you put a 4-digit code into it. That there, you flick it and it opens up, and inside you've got your key. That just fits in there like that. So before we go out and put it on, I have to forgive the broken wrist. Right, before we go out and put it on, I'm just going to show you how to change the code. And basically, if you have a look, I'm just trying to see, right, I haven't got the instructions on me, but it says A and B there. You get this little lever and you simply push it to one side and then up. And you do that with the code that's already preset on it. So in other words, what you've opened it at. Then you change it to what you want it to be. And in this instance, I'm just going to change it to 222. So all the 2s. So that's like that. Now, when I pull that lever down, it'll flip into place there, and we should be able to close it, and it locks. And if I move just one of the digits, now you can see it's not opening. So let's put it back to 222, pull it down again, and it opens. Right, so the fixing of it, you get this pack and you've got wall plugs and you've got screws. Well, we're going to be screwing it onto a wooden post, so I only need the screws, and that's what we're going to do now. Just before I do, just so that you can see, there's a little weatherproof cover goes up there, so it hides and protects the tumblers. Right, okay then. Okay, so I'm going to put it into position here, and my able son is going to do the screwing, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay. So as you can see, there's 4 holes, got 4 screws. So we're just going to get it securely in place. Right, okay, so that's on. Just want to hold the camera. And nice and secure, that's not going anywhere. And that's closed. So on the code that it was set up on, which was 222, you come along, pull that down, set the code, and then it opens and your key's inside. Now obviously that's not the code that I'm going to use on this, I'm going to change it now. But you can see, anybody comes up to the house, as long as we've given them the code, they'll be able to get into that. It could have been put onto a wall, a concrete post or anything, but that's where I wanted it. So, all done and dusted.